Welcome to our latest video. Today we are talking about top 8 best Aliexpress budget phone accessories. Through extensive research and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. All the links of the phone accessories are in the description below the video. Subscribe our channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Introducing the revolutionary RGB Lights fast charging USB Type-C cable. With its cutting-edge features and sleek design, this cable is a game-changer for all your charging needs. Let's take a closer look at what sets the RGB Lights fast-charging USB Type-C cable apart from the rest. Equipped with advanced technology, this cable supports 6A 66 watts fast charging, ensuring that your devices charge up quickly and efficiently. Whether you own a Samsung, Xiaomi, Huawei, Oppo, or iPhone, this cable is compatible with all major smartphone brands, making it a versatile choice for everyone. But what truly sets this cable apart is its mesmerizing RGB lights. The vibrant colors add a touch of style and uniqueness to your charging experience. Whether you're charging your phone at home or on the go, the RGB Lights fast-charging USB Type-C cable is perfect for all occasions. Use it with your phone accessories, in your car, or even as a charging cord for your iPhone. This cable is designed to meet all your charging needs. With its durable construction and high-quality materials, this cable ensures a reliable and long-lasting connection every time. Upgrade your charging experience with the RGB Lights fast-charging USB Type-C cable. Get yours today and enjoy fast, efficient charging with a touch of style. RGB Lights fast-charging USB Type-C cable. The future of charging is here. Introducing the Basia 65 watts PPS Car Charger, the ultimate charging solution for your on-the-go lifestyle. With its cutting-edge technology and powerful performance, this car charger is designed to keep all your devices charged up and ready to go. The Basia 65 watts PPS Car Charger features dual ports, including a USB Type-C port and a SPA port, allowing you to charge multiple devices. The USB Type-C port supports power delivery PD fast charging, delivering up to 65 watts of power to compatible devices like laptops, tablets, and smartphones. The SPA port supports quick charge QC technology, providing fast charging for devices that are Qi-compatible, such as iPhones and Android smartphones. Not only does the Basia 65 watts PPS Car Charger deliver exceptional performance, but it also adds a touch of style to your car's interior. Its translucent design with soft LED lighting creates a visually appealing ambience while making it easy to locate the charger even in low light conditions. No matter what devices you have, the Basia 65 watts PPS Car Charger has got you covered. It is compatible with a wide range of devices, including laptops, smartphones, tablets, and more. Plus, its compact size makes it perfect for travel, allowing you to stay powered up wherever you go. Say goodbye to low battery anxiety and experience the convenience of fast charging on the road with the Basia 65 watts PPS Car Charger. Power up your journey with Baseus. Introducing the Baseus Magnetic Phone Holder Stand. Are you tired of fumbling with your phone when you're driving or need a hands-free solution? Look no further. The Baseus Magnetic Phone Holder Stand is here to make your life easier and more convenient. Let's take a closer look at its incredible features. With its powerful magnetic design, the Baseus Magnetic Phone Holder Stand securely holds your smartphone in place, keeping it stable even on bumpy roads. No more searching for your phone under your car seat. The Baseus Magnetic Phone Holder Stand also comes equipped with a cell phone grip fingering holder. Simply slide your finger through the ring and have a firm grip on your phone at all times. Worried about compatibility? Don't be. The Baseus Magnetic Phone Holder Stand is universally designed to fit all smartphone models, including the latest iPhone 14, 13 Pro Max, and Samsung devices. Installing the Baseus Magnetic Phone Holder Stand is a breeze. Simply attach the holder to any flat surface, and you're good to go. It provides a secure and stable mount for your phone in seconds. Experience the freedom of effortlessly using your phone while keeping it securely held with the Baseus Magnetic Phone Holder Stand. Get yours today and make your life safer and more convenient. Baseus Magnetic Phone Holder Stand, your ultimate phone accessory for a secure and hands-free experience. Introducing the Essager 6-point gravity car phone holder, the ultimate solution for convenient and secure phone mounting in your car. With its innovative design and advanced features, this phone holder is perfect for iPhone 14, Samsung, Xiaomi, and other smartphones. Installing the Essager 6-point gravity car phone holder is quick and easy. Simply attach it to your car's air vent using the included clip. Once installed, simply place your smartphone into the holder, and the 6-points gravity design will automatically secure it in place. The Essager 6-points gravity car phone holder provides a stable and reliable grip, ensuring that your phone stays in place even during bumpy rides or sudden stops. Thanks to its adjustable design, you can easily rotate and adjust the phone holder to find the perfect viewing angle for navigation, calls, or media playback. Whether you have an iPhone 14, Samsung, Xiaomi, or any other smartphone, the Essager 6-points gravity car phone holder offers universal compatibility, accommodating devices of various sizes. Designed to fit most car events, this phone holder is versatile and can be used in a wide range of vehicles, ensuring that you can enjoy its benefits no matter what car you drive. When not in use, the Essager 6-points gravity car phone holder can be easily detached from the air vent, making it convenient to store or transfer between different cars. Upgrade your driving experience with the Essager 6-points gravity car phone holder. Get yours today and enjoy the convenience and security of hands-free phone mounting in your car. Introducing the Magnetic Car Phone Holder Universal, the ultimate solution for convenient and safe phone usage while driving. With its strong magnetic grip and universal compatibility, this phone holder is designed to securely hold any smartphone, including popular brands like iPhone, Samsung, LG, Google Pixel, and many more. Installing the Magnetic Car Phone Holder Universal is a breeze. Simply attach the holder to your car's air vent, and it's ready to use. No complicated setup or tools required. Thanks to its powerful magnets, your phone will stay firmly in place, even on bumpy roads or during sudden stops. Say goodbye to fumbling around for your phone while driving. The Magnetic Car Phone Holder Universal offers 360-degree rotation, allowing you to adjust your phone to the perfect viewing angle. Whether you prefer portrait or landscape mode, this holder has got you covered. Need to use your phone for GPS navigation? No problem. The Magnetic Car Phone Holder Universal keeps your phone within easy reach, ensuring clear visibility of your directions without distracting you from the road. We understand the importance of aesthetics, which is why our phone holder boasts a sleek and minimalistic design that seamlessly blends with any car interior. It won't obstruct your view or clutter your dashboard. And when you're not using it, simply detach the phone holder from the air vent with a single hand motion. It's quick, easy, and leaves no residue or marks behind. Upgrade your driving experience with the Magnetic Car Phone Holder Universal. Stay connected, stay safe. Get yours today. Introducing the phone case for iPhone 14 Pro Max, the ultimate accessory to protect and personalize your iPhone. With its stunning design and innovative features, this phone case is a must-have for all iPhone enthusiasts. Featuring a vibrant and colorful cartoon flower design, this phone case adds a touch of style and personality to your device. Whether you're a fashion-forward trendsetter or simply want to express your unique taste, this case is sure to turn heads wherever you go. Not only does the phone case for iPhone 14 Pro Max fit the latest iPhone 14 Pro Max model, but it's also compatible with a wide range of other iPhone models, including the iPhone 11, 13, 12, XS, X, XR, 7, 8 Plus, and even the 2022 and 2020 editions. No matter which iPhone you own, this case has got you covered. But what sets this phone case apart from the rest is its invisible stand holder. With a simple flick, the stand pops out, allowing you to prop up your iPhone in both portrait and landscape modes. Whether you're watching videos, video chatting, or following a recipe while cooking, this stand provides a convenient hands-free experience. Crafted from high-quality materials, this phone case offers reliable protection against scratches, bumps, and everyday wear and tear. It snugly fits your iPhone, providing easy access to all buttons, ports, and features without compromising functionality. Get your phone case for iPhone 14 Pro Max today and showcase your style while keeping your iPhone protected. Visit our website or your nearest retailer to get yours now. Phone case for iPhone 14 Pro Max. Protect and personalize. Introducing the phone holder stand aluminum alloy by Baseus, the perfect accessory to enhance your mobile device experience. With its premium construction using high-quality aluminum alloy, this phone holder stand offers durability and stability like no other. It's designed to securely hold your smartphone or tablet, providing a hands-free viewing experience. Whether you have the latest iPhone 13, Samsung Galaxy, or any other mobile device, this stand is compatible with a wide range of smartphones and tablets. The adjustable design allows you to find the perfect viewing angle for your needs. Whether you're watching videos, browsing the web, or video chatting, this stand ensures optimal comfort and convenience. Need to follow a recipe while cooking? No problem. This phone holder stand is also great for use in the kitchen. Keep your device at eye level, allowing you to easily read instructions or watch cooking tutorials without getting your device dirty. Worried about portability? Don't be. This phone holder stand features a foldable design, making it compact and easy to carry wherever you go. Whether you're traveling, working, or simply relaxing at home, take this stand with you and enjoy hands-free convenience anytime, anywhere. And for those on the go, this stand is also perfect for use in your car. Attach it to your dashboard or windshield, and keep your device securely in place while using GPS navigation or enjoying hands-free calls. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the move, the phone holder stand aluminum alloy by Baseus is the ultimate accessory to elevate your mobile device experience. Upgrade your smartphone or tablet experience today with a phone holder stand aluminum alloy by Basia. Get yours now and enjoy the convenience and versatility it offers. Introducing the phone ring holder, the ultimate accessory for your smartphone. Are you tired of dropping your phone while taking selfies or texting on the go? Do you find it difficult to get a secure grip on your device? Well, worry no more. The phone ring holder is here to revolutionize the way you handle your smartphone. With its stylish and ergonomic design, the phone ring holder provides a secure grip for your smartphone, preventing accidental drops and slips. Whether you're taking selfies, texting, or browsing the web, the phone ring holder ensures a comfortable and secure grip, giving you peace of mind. But that's not all. The phone ring holder also doubles as a convenient stand, allowing you to enjoy hands-free viewing of your favorite content. And here's the best part. The phone ring holder is compatible with magnetic car mounts. Simply attach it to your car's dashboard, and you can use your smartphone safely while driving. The phone ring holder is compatible with a wide range of smartphones, including the latest iPhone and Samsung models. It's designed to be durable and long-lasting, ensuring it stays securely attached to your device. Installation is a breeze. Just peel off the adhesive backing, stick it to the back of your phone, and you're ready to go. The phone ring holder is also adjustable, allowing you to find the perfect angle for your comfort. And with a variety of colors and finishes to choose from, you can personalize your phone ring holder to match your style. Upgrade your smartphone experience with the phone ring holder. Get yours today and never worry about dropping your phone again. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you have not seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.